I'm going to show you how you can make $500 per day without doing a big thing. Just a little thing only. You can make only $500 per day. And if you're currently looking for a best method, a best strategy for you to be able to make $500 per day, you have to watch this video till the end so you can be able to know exactly how you can start making this huge amount of money without doing anything. Let's jump to the video we have for today. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Teacher Use Work From Home. And to this video, guys, I'm going to take you to a step-by-step tutorial about DIGISTORE24. DIGISTORE24 is a platform where you can start doing the affiliate marketing, which is very easy, guys. I'm going to show you actually how you can start making $500 per day, at least $500 per day on this platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how to register at that platform, which is called DIGISTORE24. I'm going to show you how to select a product from the marketplace, and I'm going to show you the best niches and how to promote your product to your audience and where to promote your product and when you can start earning the profits that you're going to be able to make from this platform. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you exactly the very best strategy that you can start making this money. Okay. Alright guys, before I take you to the step-by-step tutorial, let me introduce to you guys the affiliate marketing. What is the affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process where publishers earn a commission by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser using an affiliate link. The affiliate partner is rewarded a payout for providing a specific result to the retailer or advertiser. Typically, the result is a sale, but some affiliate marketing programs can reward you for leads, free trial users, clicks to a website, or getting downloads for an app. There are a lot of affiliate marketing programs, but in this video today, I bring only 11 examples of some affiliate marketing programs. The first one I have is Amazon Associates. The number 2 is all the big box stores, for example, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, Staples. Number 3 is AvidLink. Number 4 is Share a Sale. Number 5, Commission Junction. Number 6, Tune. Number 7, Impact Radius. Number 8, Reversion Marketplace. Number 9, Rakuten. Number 10, DIGISTORE24. Number 11, ClickBank, and there are some more, but in this video I bring only 11 for you guys. So into this video we're going to focus on the number 10, which is DIGISTORE24. all right, let's go guys into step number 1, which is register at DIGISTORE24. So I'm gonna take you to a very easy step on how you can register at this platform, which is DIGISTORE24. We are now on the website of DIGISTORE24. I'm going to show you guys how you can register yourself into this website. So it is really free to use. You're not going to have to pay anything to use this website. It's free to use, guys. I'm going to put the link of this website below this video so you guys can have access to this website right now. Now let's go and register ourselves. The first thing I'm going to do is here on the right corner here where it says register now. I click on it. Now they're going to ask me for my personal information here. They said here again, register for free. Okay, so now let's go ahead and register right now. So we're going to sign up as affiliate. Click here. I'm going to use Pros 2023. So when I put this username here, they're going to automatically give me my affiliate link. With this link, you're going to have access to your profile. Let's click here. Now I'm gonna put my email address. Let me put this. Okay, I'll put it here. They asked me to repeat my email address here. I'm gonna repeat it. Okay, now they asked me to choose a password. Let me choose a password. I'm choosing a password, guys. this one, this is too weak. Now let me choose another one. Okay, let me choose it. I'm not gonna repeat it now. It should be good now. They're gonna call me Mrs. Those are not required. Let me put here. For example, I'm putting this here. I'm just using, some names. You see, address. I'm currently in Dominican Republic. I'll put this here. Okay. I'm just using something. Dominican Republic. I'm putting a phone number here. They ask me house number, city. Those are not required. Let me put a phone number. Oh, it is required. Santo Domingo. Okay. Let me put this here. This is state. Put in. For example. Now they ask me for phone number. Let me put this. For example, 911. Okay, ask me for my Skype name or Telegram ID. I don't want this. I click on register for free. What is not working here? They ask me for my apartment number. Let's say 201. Okay. And for this password, put it again. This one is excellent, it's good. Let me put it again. It should be good now. Let's sign up for free. Great. It says fully create your account. Please take a look at your email. Let's jump into our email. Let's see, guys. As we can see here, let's see it here. Let's see from there. All right, it should be all right. No, that's not it. There it is, guys. Click here to activate your G-Store. Okay. I put my password. It was automatic here. So you're taking me to my page. So now, when they take me to my page, guys, so this is where I am registered. Okay, guys, let me show you guys how you can actually start selecting the products that you're going to sell right now. For example, if we are choosing the niche that we want to involve in, for example, we have the computer system, you see computer and internet, we have some other categories here. So for example, if I'm selling things into software, for example, into the technology, I go down there, I choose the program that I want to you see the niche that I want to sell in. For example, if I click on this one here, for example, the program I see here, this one I'm going to have a 50% commission on it. This program is Click Designs. So the sale is $515. How much I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get $257. Wow. Now, when I click on the promote now, it's going to take me to a link. This link is the link. The link that they're going to give me right now is the link that I'm going to promote. Whenever somebody click on that link, they are interested about this program, they purchase this program, I am going to be paid. Okay, so now if I go here, this is a single payment. It is, so it is not recurring. Okay, so it is a single payment. Only one time they're going to pay you for this one, but you're going to get a lot of money, very huge money. Okay, let's see, let's click here, promote now. When we click on it, they're gonna give me this link. This link, I'm gonna click on it like that. It's gonna take me to this page here. Okay, this is going to be my link. When somebody click on it, they're gonna get them right here automatically. Okay, they're gonna get them into my website. So when they click on it, click design now, they click on it. Okay, so remember, you're gonna have a 50% commission on it. So when they click on it, so they're gonna take them here automatically. Okay, so when you sell this product, so it's gonna, you're gonna have your commission automatically. Okay, guys. So now let's go back to our page, and when we go down here, some other programs here, for example, this program here, we're gonna have a 50% commission. Okay, so on this program here, so the commission is going to be 50%. The sale is going to be 62. Okay, for the commission, you're going to have your percentage here. Now, let's go ahead and see here some other programs that you might be easily sell right now. Let's go into the fitness and health. This is a very huge program. This is a very huge niche. A lot of people are interested about this niche right now. If, for example, I have this program here, okay, the earnings, I'm gonna have $29 on it. Okay, 70% commission on it. When we click now, it's gonna give me the link here. Okay, so this program, they're gonna sell it for $64, and you're gonna have $29 as a commission. Okay, imagine that you have around 10 sales per day. This is going to be huge. Now, if, for example, this program, I'm gonna have an earning of $39, I'm gonna have 80% commission. So this program, this product, it is a smart blood sugar, so it's going to be cost $75, 0.22. I'm gonna have a commission of $39.28. So this is gonna be my commission. Okay, so everything you sell here, you get your commission. If you want to see a commission, you see earnings around, you will see your commission. This is gonna be a commission here. Okay, so now if I am going to be into the education, we've been in that before. Let's select let's see which one we can see here, the dating and lovers relationship. So I'm gonna have a $30 commission here, 92% commission, this program. Now this message here is a message that they gave you here, you can use to promote the product. Okay, so you can use those messages just to promote the product. Okay, but they will tell you exactly where to promote the product. They can tell you, hey, not to promote this product on YouTube, but promote this product on Facebook, don't promote this product on Google. Okay, so for example, if we go here, we're gonna use this message. For example, you can use this message to promote the product, where they said his secret obsession. Okay, earn 90% commissions on front and back end sales promoting his secret obsession. Okay, for example, you can have this as a message. Hey there, my name is da da da. You put your name. I'm glad da 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 da. Okay, so you can use this, just to make great commission, make money today. All right, so this is how you're going to select the product. Now, if you are not able to select a product, or you're not able to do anything for yourself, I can give you a very easy way that you can find somebody to make it for you. Okay, everything is here on the internet. Just have the idea and you will find somebody to do it for you. Okay, so now you can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook, you can use Ping, you can use Google Ads, all those ways, all those platforms, these social media platforms, to promote your products. Now, if you're not able to do it for yourself, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find somebody to do it for you, just to pay a little money. If you're a busy person, you don't have a lot of time, or you're not too professional at doing this, you're not too professional at the internet, you can definitely find somebody to do it for you. Now, I'm going to introduce you to a platform called Fiverr. On Fiverr, this is where you will find somebody to do everything for you. Okay, so now let's see here. Let's go to Fiverr to see exactly if we can find somebody to do something for us. We go here. we're gonna type Digistore, the keyword 24. When we click here, we'll see a lot of people that can do it for you. You see here, somebody says, I will create where plus T-cher, click major store account for you. Okay, so it's not, you're not gonna pay a lot of money. You're gonna start from $5. They have all, they have their plans. You see some people say DIGISTORE24, 100% automated system. They're gonna, you will find somebody to do the marketing for you, to promote the link for you, okay, to promote the link for you into some platforms. Those people are here to do it for you. So you're just gonna have to pay just little money, okay, for people to be able to do it for you. I will launch an affiliate program for your product at DIGISTORE24 at only $10. Okay, you're gonna start with $10. You see, promote sales page, product launch, product upload, product landing page. So some people can only do that for you guys. So it's really, really easy to do. Okay, so just go ahead right now and hire somebody to do it for you. You're not gonna pay a lot of money for that. Okay, if you scroll down here, I will do DIGISTORE24 promotion for you. You see, they're gonna promote the link for you, and you will have huge sales. Okay, you have a lot of people that is going to visit your landing page, and from there you'll be able to make a lot of money. Okay, all right, guys. So if you go back here, if we go back there into the DIGISTORE24, since you're able to select the product and you have your affiliate link, again, if you want to gain this $32, for example, you're gonna have to click here, promote link. Okay, you're gonna click, boom. They're gonna take you to the page where you're gonna have to promote the link. And one of the other thing that I'll show you guys here is to set up the account. When you come here, you're gonna have to, set up the account here so you can have everything well listed here. So, for example, if we click on payout account, so you're gonna have to click on this and select this. You see, select the method. They pay you per PayPal, US bank account, and international bank transfer, which means that this is something that you can do everywhere in the world. So you select your currency. It is always in US dollars, and then you put a password, the payout per month. You select the time. You can say 7th of every month, 7 to 21, so which means 2 times a month, and you can select it 7, 14, 21, or 28. So you select the time that you want your money to come to your account. So after you get this, you approve, and then you will be able to start making money immediately, guys. So do not hesitate right now, guys. Go ahead and right now start doing this, guys. You can go ahead and start doing it with the DIGISTORE24, and don't hesitate, guys, to subscribe to my channel, because I will always come with new videos for you guys and show you exactly how you can start promoting things, making things, very professional without any problem, guys. You can start making money right now from your home, guys. All right, very easy. And let's jump, into the next video, guys. All right, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and make sure you wait for the next video. I'm gonna come with another program for you that you should be able to make money immediately, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's jump to the next video. Boom.